Friday and we're going out. Gala-gala kami, guys.
Die. Sans. Move, Sans. Move, I want to see my.
Kuya, my teacher, Miss Amina, the funniest fifth grade teacher.
Me first.
The funniest said in the 4 degrees had beta, alpha,
Hello, guys.
Hello guys!
and she also
Welcome back to my channel.
and she also hits the greedy.
Greedy.
It's 5:45 in the afternoon here in Dubai. At kami ay pupunta sa Dubai Festival Plaza.
We know your secrets.
Ayan guys, nandito na kami sa Festival Plaza. Maghanap kami ng aming kakainan. Where's Daddy? Nag-window shopping pa eh. Hey! Let's go na! Ayun guys, ito kami sa Sakarwit, nakapili ng kakainan. Ay po.
Kayo ng 70 and
Pag 100 and up,
dalawang kids.
yes, let's go for, ayan, free kids meal tayo guys. Kasama ka? Sa itong order namin, isang Swiss boom. Beef to, di ba?
Opo, beef.
Isa niyan, isang steak and mushroom.
Sa Swiss boom niyo po, half po na. Cut po na.
Cut and
Slice 2 and
ito din, steak and
Steak and
mushroom, cut into 2. Tapos dalawang soup.
2 lentil soup.
Apo. Tapos yung free namin, ayan, kaya kami nandito dahil may free. Give me that, ate. Give me that menu. Isang mini chicken breaded at saka mini chicken roll.
Frog ice cream.
Pag kulang din naman mamaya, order din yun.
Anong juice po, madam? Breaded at saka...
May kasama pang juice.
Opo, also.
What juice do you like? Ano
We
bang
have
juice?
orange, apple, fresh lemonade, yogurt, carrot juice. Yogurt.
Yogurt?
Yes, yogurt.
Yogurt and hey, what?
Yogurt for kids breaded, madam.
Okay, saan?
Kahit saan.
Ayan. What drinks you want?
Drinks?
Yeah.
What is the options?
What's the option?
Ito, madam, kids pay. Ito.
Ito.
Tapos anong juice po?
Juice, they have fresh lemonade. You want?
Fresh lemonade?
Yeah.
Orange also.
Orange, apple.
Carrot juice.
Mango?
We don't have mango.
What's the third option?
What's in the yogurt?
Apple. What's in the yogurt? It's
Just the yogurt.
just yogurt.
Sorry, in a bowl.
Yogurt like that in a bottle.
Yogurt in a...
Yeah.
Okay, yogurt.
Tapos large water na.
Small lang po water namin.
Okay. Dalawang small lang muna.
Malamig po, madam.
Room temp. Ayan,
I
guys.
will repeat the order, ma'am. 1 Swiss bowl, slice 2. 1 steak and mushroom. 2 lentil soup, 1 kids breaded with yogurt, 1 kids famous with yogurt, and 2 bottle of water, room temp.
Thank you po.
Serving time, madam. For the room, madam, it will take 15 to 18 minutes. And for the wrap, 12 minutes maximum.
Okay. Pwede sabay-sabay mo na.
Sabay-sabay po. Tsaka yung tubig po.
Yung tubig lagyan mo na din. Yung lentil soup, bigyan mo na.
Okay. Yung lentil soup po na yun.
Okay. Thank you. Ayan, mag-subscribe ka na sa channel ko. Sa YouTube channel ko.
Ano channel?
Nagsisimula na naman ako. Lois Map Dubai Vlogs. Ayan. Enjoy! Yan. Ay.
Sabay-sabay.
Yes! Oh, that's huge even though, right? Oh my gosh. And steak? Yes. O, tingnan mo, di lang nagkakalayo yung ano? Daddy. Di nagkakalayo yung meaning at saka sa atin. Yay! Busog match na naman tayo niyan. Oh, your order is late. But this is our order. But the soup is not yet here. It should be the first.
You're busy with the bread.
Yeah, it's here na. Di pa pala. Kala ko sa atin.
Nice sauce also.
Ayan na nga. It's our soup. Nagkamali siya ng serve sa kabila niya na serve. Thank you.
You just like me?
Yan ang aming dinner, guys. We're waiting for our lemon.
Your yogurt?
Yeah, we ordered
Yeah. You have yogurt. Saan yung yogurt nila?
bibigay ko na.
Okay.
Na-prepare pa po.
Okay. Thank you. And your order.
Bro,
Your order is
not here.
hard to cook.
Sorry for waiting, madam, because we
Okay.
are busy.
Okay lang.
Yes, you understand.
Thank you.
Okay. That's your yogurt.
He understands.
Kasama sa kanila. Thank you.
Look at his burger. Too strong?
I'll take you 5.
I don't see your order pa.
What did Ryan order?
Yeah, thank you.
Mommy, what's over?
No, it's like a pie.
Hindi naman yan, original na. Yung isa.
Ayan. Kagat naman dyan. Yes. Hindi na punch yung order. Ano ba yun? Nasamid ako. Hindi na punch yung order ng anak ko. Kaya wala pa siyang kinakain. Ayan. Gusto na yung soup ko. Wala pa din order niya. So, ito yung kanilang steak and mushroom wrap. Ayan, sa wakas, dumating na yung kanyang food. Tapos na namin yung pagkain namin. That is superb naman. It's worth the wait.
Worth it.
Yeah.
Nice.
See? Naglalabo. Oh, yan palang ano niyan. Parang burger. I don't know where's the camera is going. At
Hi ma'am, thank you for waiting. This is your bill.
okay, so magkano na lahat?
Ma'am, with free na kayo ng dalawang kids kasi nag-exist na kayo ng 100. So, libre kayo ng dalawang kids meal. Kaya yan po, by 54 na, discount po kayo.
Okay, so 139 na. Magkano
Yes.
yung water?
Water.
Yun, 60.
Yeah, 60 ma'am.
Okay, thank
Now,
you.
kailangan nyo po mag-fill up for the, the konto.
Sige, thank you.
Name, signature, phone number. Also, if you have a company.
Ayan, naka-discount kami ng 54 dirhams. Dalawang kids meal lang na bawas. Kaya 139 na lang ang bill namin. Yes. Boss.
Thank you. For card, ma'am.
Yes po. So, ayan. Natapos na yung dinner namin. Where are we?
Natin, mga bata.
Ha? Ice cream? Ice cream or coffee?
Dito. Paldo ko muna. Dito
Paldo. OT, OT. Or Dunkin. Dunkin Donuts.
Expired by 2 days.
Dunkin?
Yeah, that's a pill.
Oh, Dunkin daw, Dunkin. Okay, let's go. Di. Okay. Dunkin. Dunkin time.
Huh?
Dunkin time. Can you arrange the seat, ate? Sige lang, sige lang. Kain ka lang. Not you. Arrange the seat. Ayan, may coupon daw yung anak ko. Gagamitin namin. When it will expire? There. This man. Young man. Ayan na yung order namin. 4 lang. Yes, you're the man. Ang nagdala, wala naman siya dyan.
2 mango, 1 choco, 1 coco coco.
Okay.
I don't know go Diti. I don't know.
Yummy. It's time to go, guys.
Alin dyan?
Alin dyan ang bibili natin?
Porcelas ko. Dito.
Ayos yan. Hi! Time to go home. And